This Lok Sabha has also seen the weaponization of a parliamentary committee. Ironically, the Ethics Committee, which was set up to serve as a moral compass for members. Instead, it has been abused egregiously today to do exactly what it was never meant to do, which is to bulldoze the opposition and become another weapon to torpedo us into submission.
TMC MP Mahua Moitra has been expelled from the Lok Sabha following an ethics committee report that held her guilty of taking bribes in exchange for criticizing the government. The 49-year-old MP faces accusations of receiving cash and luxurious gifts from businessman Darshan Hiranandani in exchange for posing questions in Parliament that painted the Narendra Modi government in a negative light. Let us go back a little and understand what the case is all about and what led to the expulsion of the TMC MP. The entire cash for query row began in October when Supreme Court lawyer Jay Anand Dehadrai filed a complaint with the Central Bureau of Investigation and forwarded a copy to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla seeking to address alleged corruption and money laundering. Mahua Moitra hit back at the Supreme Court lawyer and labelled him as a jilted ex, thereby denying all the allegations levelled against her. In response, Mr. Dehadrai wrote to the Delhi police claiming he feared a very serious threat to his life due to his complaint and alleging a direct attempt to coerce him into retracting it. Post this, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey came into the picture and requested the immediate suspension of Moitra. Mr. Dubey alleged that Ms. Moitra had accepted bribes from Mr. Hiranandani in exchange for asking parliamentary questions critical of PM Modi and the Adani Group. These actions, according to Mr. Dubey, constituted breaches of parliamentary privilege, contempt of the House, and potentially criminal conspiracy. Mr. Dubey's complaint triggered a hearing by the Ethics Panel of Parliament, summoning both him and Mr. Dehadrai. Mr. Hiranandani, meanwhile, submitted an affidavit alleging Ms. Moitra shared her parliamentary credentials with him to facilitate the framing and posting of questions targeting the Adani Group, a measure she perceived as the only way to reach PM Modi. He admitted that he used the Trinamool MP's parliamentary login ID and password to post questions from Dubai. Ms. Moitra conceded to sharing her parliamentary login credentials with Mr. Hiranandani. While acknowledging a receipt of gifts from him, she clarified that they were limited to personal items like one scarf, some lipsticks, and other makeup items including eyeshadow. Ms. Moitra, however, denied any bribery and demanded the opportunity to cross-examine the businessman. Ms. Moitra defied the Ethics Committee's initial summons to appear on October 31. She explained her stance, stating that the committee chairman had publicly announced her summons on live television before she received the official notification via email at 7:20 p.m. She further highlighted the media's access to all complaints and affidavits before her, labelling it a selective leak of plea bargain. She called the proceedings a witch hunt. Mahua Moitra agreed to appear before the Ethics Committee but staged a walkout. This happened on November 2nd. She accused the panel of engaging in proverbial stripping, highlighting her belief that their questioning was biased and unfair. On November 10, the Ethics Committee submitted its report to the Speaker, recommending Ms. Moitra's expulsion. The report accused her of accepting illegal gratifications from Mr. Hiranandani in exchange for raising questions in Parliament on his behalf. 6 out of 10 members of the Ethics Committee voted to adopt the 479-page report. The remaining 4 members belonging to opposition parties registered dissent. The Ethics Committee report was tabled in the Parliament on 8th December. Chaos followed, after which Mahua Moitra was expelled. Despite a heated debate and demands from Ms. Moitra and opposition members for her to speak, she was not given the opportunity to defend herself before the vote. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi moved a motion for her expulsion based on unethical conduct, which was subsequently adopted by a voice vote. After her expulsion, Moitra said that the Ethics Committee has no power to expel her and added that it is the beginning of the end for the BJP. It remains to be seen what follows.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.